Page 96.
Curlylocks and the Three Bears. Once there was a girl with curly hair. Her name was Curlylocks. One day she went into the forest near her house. She saw a cottage.
Is anybody in?
She asked. There was nobody. The bear family lived in the cottage. They had gone for a walk. Curlylocks went in. She wanted to see who lived there. She saw 3 bowls of porridge on the table. There was a big bowl for Papa Bear, a middle-sized bowl for Mama Bear, and a tiny little bowl for Baby Bear. Curlylocks was hungry. She ate the porridge from the big bowl. It was very hot. She ate from the middle-sized bowl. It was too cold. She ate from the tiny little bowl. It was just right. Curlylocks ate up all the porridge. Then she went to the bedroom. There was a big bed for Papa Bear, a middle-sized bed for Mama Bear, and a tiny little bed for Baby Bear.
Page 98.
The big bed was very hard. The middle-sized bed was too soft. But the tiny little bed was just right. Curlylocks fell asleep in the tiny little bed. The bear family came back.
Somebody ate my porridge,
shouted Papa Bear in his big, gruff voice.
Somebody ate my porridge too,
said Mama Bear.
Somebody finished all my porridge,
said Baby Bear in his tiny little voice. The bear family went to the bedroom.
Oh, somebody slept in my bed,
shouted Papa Bear in his big, gruff voice.
Somebody slept in my bed too,
said Mama Bear.
Somebody's sleeping in my bed,
said Baby Bear in his tiny little voice. Curlylocks woke up. She saw the 3 bears. She jumped down and ran out of the cottage as fast as she could. Adapted from Goldilocks and the 3 Bears.
New words:
Curly,
cottage,
bowl,
porridge.
hungry.
Page 99.
Here you can see a picture with the bear family looking at Curlylocks lying in the bed.
Page 100.
Let's read.
My sister's hair is soft and curly.
When I am hungry, I eat a lot.
Reading is fun.
Who lived in the cottage in the forest?
What did Curlylocks see on the table?
Why did she eat up all the porridge from Baby Bear's bowl?
Whose bed did Curlylocks sleep in and why?
Let's talk.
Have you ever seen a forest? What did you see there?
There is a plate of sweets lying on the table. You want to eat some sweets. What will you do?
Name a few things that you eat from a bowl. What do you call a bowl in your language? Page 101.
Let's act.
Pretend that you are Curlylocks. Tell your friends what happened to you when you went into the bear's cottage. You can say the story first in your own language and then in English. Begin like this. I'm Curlylocks. I have curly hair. One day
Let's write.
The bear family.
Here you can see picture of Papa Bear, Mama Bear and Baby Bear.
Bring pictures of your family members.
Take some chart paper.
Write on it, my family.
Stick pictures of your family members and write their names. Use Mr. and Mrs. for elder people.
Write, this is me.
Stick your picture under it and write your name.
Page 102.
The words curly and hungry tell us about Curlylocks. Can you find some more words which describe the bears? Now form them into sentences of your own.
Here is some space given below to form your sentences.
Write 5 lines on my family.
Here is a space provided below.
Let's listen and enjoy.
A sailor went to sea.
To see what he could see.
But all that he could see
Was the bottom of the deep blue sea.
Make sentences with see and see, tail and tail.
Here you have some space for all the 4 sentences.
Page 103.
The bear family went for a walk before dinner. Somebody came in. Look at what they did.
There is a picture of a dining table. There are some fruits and a jug of water. A cat and a mouse are enjoying dinner.
Write about all the things kept in the wrong places. A ball dash Papa Bear's plate.
A flower dash Mama Bear's plate.
A plant dash Baby Bear's chair.
What else do you see in the picture?
Write in the space provided below.
Page 104. Unit 6. Teacher's page.
Unit 6 is about further building the children's imagination to think. Make a picture in their mind and then share this image with the class. Discover how every child sees every story he hears or reads in a different way and feels a sense of adventure in knowing other people. He learns that each of his friends has a different picture of Curlylocks.
Develop pronunciation. New words like mischief, quiet, hungry, curly, etc. can now be repeated. Hearing and speaking these sounds are more important than writing them. Use sight words in the classroom by putting them on cards. Let the children read these words and make sentences. Reinforce understanding of the way words like big, middle, and tiny, and phrases help the reader follow and visualize the action of a story.
Develop speaking skills. The mother tongue can be given its due place by being used for discussion and understanding, along with an engagement with English. All groups can speak about the pranks or tricks they played on someone. Circle 2 words in each group that rhyme. Cut, but, fun. Tree, pail, bee. Pat, egg, leg. Time, rope, soap. Man, mat, fan.
Develop writing skills. Teach children the correct way to write Mr. and Mrs. Begin Mr. and Mrs. with a capital and put a period or full stop after Mr. and Mrs. Give more similar sounding but different spelling words to children to frame into sentences. Dear, dear. Tail, tail. There, there. Make children write meaningful and constructive sentences. My family, my best friend.